My family is coming in 1 hour. It's your cousin Teddy. He's the waiter, he's a singer, and he likes rock music. It's my brother Eddie. He's a doctor. He got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one? I don't know. A cousin? No. Your brother? No. An uncle? It's my Aunt Judy. Sorry, Mrs. Morris. She looks like your uncle. Tell me something about her. She's an architect, artist, married, divorced, 2 kids, 3 kids, 4 kids, 5 kids? No kids, only 8 more. Here is an easy one. I don't know. It's my father. I know who your father is. Why are you showing me photo of your father? My family is coming in 1 hour now. Pay attention. Why do you have such a large family? It's not that large. Not that large. You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncles. Who know how many cousins, nieces, and nephews? I say that's a large family. They are not all coming over. No, just 18 of them. I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine. Okay, I'm okay. Your cousin John? Oh,